Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So yeah, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reverse a string using JavaScript. So let's start. Yeah, so an example, we might have, let's say, a variable called maybe name. Yes, let's say name Jen. So we expect this, to be what is it? To be ENAJ for the reversed for the reversed string. So if that's the case, then what you can do, you can probably you can create a loop over here. It's which should start from which is going to look from back to the beginning of the string, not from the front to the end of the string. Should start from here back, I mean, where E is. So we're going to create a variable I, which is basically shown like this. So we expect a string. So let's say a string. Yeah. Okay. So what basically this or what it means, we are going to start from the back, I mean from the end of the string going to the start of the string. This is actually what it means. So since we are, I mean the array, I mean in JavaScript, the index are 0 based. So if let's say this is the string, if let's say this is the string, right? So here you don't count from 1, 2, 3, 4. You start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. So in that case, you need to minus 1 here. Yeah. So yeah, so this is still a condition, and here we have 1 minus minus, which basically means after every iteration, subtract 1 from this variable. Yeah. So here we can create our, let's reverse the, let's say, string to be that one, to be that name. So what we can do now here, it's yeah. So you're saying for every iteration, that is from the back, for every iteration from the back, add it here. So we can console log the reverse string. So we can say node reverse string .js, and then I need to save this file and then try again. Yeah, so you can see we got it right. Yeah, so basically that's how to reverse a string in JavaScript. So if you guys like this video, please Please subscribe, please like and subscribe. Yeah, see you on the next video. Bye.